This is going to be part 3, right side fairing installation. You want to pay special attention to the push pins that go into the frame, and always put a little Vaseline on them every time you take them on and off to help them slide in and out of the frame. Every time, even if you just put it in there and you're taking it off. Can't hurt, can only help. Turn your wheel all the way to the left. Now this trim piece right here is going to have to go underneath your nose panel right here. So what you want to do is, first thing, while you're holding it out just like that, and as you're guiding the frame, the fairing, you're going to slide that underneath there, just like that, and work it onto the bike. You got to try and keep careful to keep the tabs underneath the nose piece so you don't scratch anything. Now you're going to lift the fairing up and pop that push pin in to the plug. You see how easy that goes when it's looped? And you're just going to rock it up in there. Make sure the lines meet up. Push your push pins in. Fairings on. On the bottom and down here, you need to make sure that it lines up properly the way it came. You'll be able to see that. You'll reinstall your inner trim panel and your chin skirt. Chin skirt goes in and around front tire and sets in there. Always helps if you have this bottom push pin out, just like that a little bit, to keep things loose while you're putting the panels back together. Inner panel, make sure this loop goes through the rod highlighted in the pictures. As you're installing the inner panel, bring it up, make sure all your tabs line up, set it down in there. Line the bottom up with the chin skirt and the panel like that. It's a little bit of a pain, takes a little finagling. It's the hardest part of doing it. Getting it all lined back up. Just like that. Push it back in there. Pop it together. Again, being patient with it. She'll fight you the whole way. These little things will fight you for sure. Just like that. And you're gonna set it down in there. And push it together. Slide over here. Come back. Make sure the chin skirt's lined up with that panel. And then come back over to this side. Line it up again. still got to work it down in there. You're going to squeeze the inner panel together. Again, squeeze the chin skirt in. Make sure it all clips together. Squeeze your fairing together. These fasteners right here will clip. You'll hear them pop when they snap. You'll reinstall your fasteners and you're done.